what's up mga ka-idol? So for today's video, meron akong napag-isipan. Ito lang po ay katuwaan lamang at base po ito sa aking napanood. At dapat maging open-minded lang tayo at walang seryosohan. So that's all for today. So
Panoorin na natin to.
It's the one and only Kiko Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be updated.